Hi there. Right, we're in Blender 4.2, which is about the new one, I think. When you open it, you end up with this default cube. I'm using the scroll wheel to zoom in and out, pressing in the scroll wheel, and I can orbit around this cube. I'm just going to hit delete to get rid of it. And I'm going to go add mesh, cylinder, sphere, UV sphere, that's what we want. I'm going to click over here and change this from 32 down to 16 because the other version of the thing had too many faces on it. Now I'm going to cut this in half, and a lot of this stuff is a bit tricky, but face select mode, hit delete some faces, click that one, that one again. Why have we gone see through? That's right, one of these. C for circle select. I'm just going to select this much of the top. Escape. Press 1 to get the side view. Extrude Z. So I'm pressing E to extrude and Z to extrude along that axis. We don't need these faces, these highlighted orange ones, so we're going to hit delete key, delete faces. That's half of our lab. I'm going to go to modifier, which it looks like a wrench, add modifier, and I'm going to type in mirror, generate mirror, and it wants to be Z, so we're mirroring this thing on the Z axis. That's the lamp. But to make a pattern for it, we have to unwrap this thing. Before we unwrap anything, we have to go object, apply, all transformations. Okay, technical reason behind that you don't need to know. And then you've got to go I pressed tab to go into edit mode, pressed A till everything's highlighted orange, then I'm going to go UV mark seam. Now this is a little bit different than how you would do it if you were making something for a video game using a 3D thing, but this is what we need. And then we're going to go UV unwrap, and then up the top we're going to go UV editing, and you end up with a million of these shapes, which is far more than you actually need, because all we really need to make this lampshade are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces repeated a lot for all these sides. And then you can make with these all selected, you can go UV pack islands, pack, and that will make them big. These are all your glass pieces, and if you want to export them, you can go UV export UV layout and just save it as a PNG on your desktop or somewhere like that. That's the hasty way of doing it. It's a bit more complicated to, if you try it, you go, oh my god, but it's a good starting point. Thank you for watching.